Fellow Jamaicans, once again our hearts beat high with joy when we stop long enough to think that we have almost made it through another year. Note, I said almost, because there are still a few more days to go before we usher in the new year. As your minister with responsibility for transport, it is my wish that you'll be around to celebrate the dawning of a new year and not becoming another statistic of road fatalities. We're a great nation, and when we come together to have fun, celebrate our successes, or just simply lime, there is no other nation like us. The Jamaican spirit is indomitable. Many envy our way of doing things. However, there are times we go overboard. We pay the ultimate price. So far this year, we've lost more than 362 persons in road crashes. This despite our best efforts to keep the figure below 300. The statistics indicate that speeding and improper overtaking have been the leading factors. Some of us don't wear seat belts and helmets as required by law. Some of us even transport our children without child seats. I appeal to you, let us all be here next year. Drink driving is a no-no. If you must drink liquor this holiday season, please have a designated driver. The trauma associated with grieving for a loved one is sometimes unbearable. But think about it. When you sustain life-changing injuries, it takes upwards of 4 years to fully recover psychologically. Not to mention how devastating this can be, especially if it's the main breadwinner. Please reduce the use of your cell phone while driving and pay full attention to the road. So enjoy yourselves with friends and family. Do not overindulge. Be moderate, respect the road code, don't drink drive, and have a Merry Christmas, and be here with me for a prosperous 2017.